ReddifyAI Review, AI tool that finds viral Reddit posts and generates ready-to-post replies and drives targeted traffic automatically. If you're struggling to get traffic, engagement, or sales from Reddit, this video might save you hours of trial and error. Today, I'm reviewing ReddifyAI, an AI-powered Reddit marketing and research tool that claims to find viral Reddit posts, generate ready-to-post replies, and drive targeted traffic automatically. But does it really work? Or is it just another AI hype tool? Let's find out. What is ReddifyAI? ReddifyAI is an AI-driven Reddit marketing and research tool designed for affiliate marketers, bloggers, SaaS founders, YouTubers promoting links, and freelancers and agencies. Its main goal is simple: help you discover high-engagement Reddit threads and respond with AI-optimized comments that attract clicks and leads without spamming. Why Reddit traffic is powerful. Reddit gets billions of monthly visitors, and people there are already asking questions, sharing problems, and looking for solutions. The problem? Finding the right subreddits, avoiding bans, and writing natural, value-based comments. That's exactly where ReddifyAI steps in. Key features of ReddifyAI. 1. AI Reddit post discovery. ReddifyAI scans Reddit and finds trending posts, high engagement threads, and buyer intent discussions. You don't need to search manually anymore. 2. AI-generated comment replies. The tool creates human-like, non-spammy replies that add value, match subreddit tone, and softly introduce your link or offer, perfect for staying safe from Reddit bans. 3. Keyword and niche targeting. You can target posts by keywords, niches, products, problems. This is powerful for affiliate promotions and lead generation. 4. Traffic and engagement focus. ReddifyAI is designed to attract clicks, profile visits, website traffic, leads, and sales, all without paid ads. 5. Beginner-friendly dashboard. No technical skills needed. Everything is clean, simple, and fast. How ReddifyAI works. Step by step. Enter your niche or keyword. ReddifyAI finds viral Reddit discussions. Choose a post, generate an AI-optimized reply, post manually or scheduled depending on plan, drive targeted traffic. That's it. Who should use ReddifyAI? ReddifyAI is ideal for affiliate marketers, bloggers and niche site owners, SaaS and product creators, YouTubers promoting links, and freelancers and agencies. If Reddit traffic matters to you, this tool makes sense. Pros and cons. Pros: saves massive time. Beginner-friendly, smart AI responses, helps avoid spam behavior, works for many niches. Cons: Reddit still requires manual posting for safety. Best results need consistency, not a magic push-button system. Pricing and value. ReddifyAI is usually offered as a one-time deal or affordable subscription, which is great compared to expensive monthly Reddit tools. Considering the traffic potential, the value is solid. Final verdict: is ReddifyAI worth it? If you want free, targeted traffic from Reddit without guessing, spamming, or getting banned, then ReddifyAI is absolutely worth trying. It's not a shortcut to instant riches, but it dramatically simplifies Reddit marketing and gives you a real advantage. If you want to check out ReddifyAI, I've put the official link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more honest AI tool reviews.